This isn't just an armored truck. It's a 700 horsepower amphibious beast designed to launch U.S. Marines from deep ocean waters straight onto enemy beaches. Meet the brand new Amphibious Combat Vehicle, or ACV. Unlike the older tracked models it's replacing, this 35-ton monster rides on 8 massive combat wheels. The moment it transitions from sand to open water, internal marine propulsion thrusters take over, allowing it to battle heavy ocean swells without sinking. The engineering here is insane. It features a blast-resistant V-hull to survive landmines on shore, yet it's completely seaworthy, traveling at 6 knots in water and hitting speeds over 65 miles per hour on land. Inside, a crew of 3 guides, up to 13 fully equipped combat marines. It's a driving fortress and a heavily armored boat all in one. But tell me, would you trust a 35-ton tank in the middle of the ocean?